As you can see, there's a live male cicada that was in my hand. Now he's on my knee, and I'm going to pick him up again so you guys can see him. You can tell it's a male because the wings are more colorful and the eyes are red and bright. And we can't really look at the abdomen, but if you did, it would be very colorful. And so, yeah, it would be really colorful. And I'm gonna go see if we can find a female. So I'm climbing on a tree, and there are these trees right here and there, and cicadas keep on climbing up there, having their morphing, and we also found one that is mid-morphing, so I'm gonna put this on the table, okay? Try, can the camera see it? See that thing? That is a alive cicada morphing. See it? And you can tell it's alive because if you touch it, it moves its legs a little bit, so. And this guy doesn't look so good, so it's not likely that he's gonna survive, but let's hope he's over it. And when they come out like this, it almost looks as if they're albino, so yeah. And now let's look for a female one like I was gonna show you. So you can see that there's a bunch of cicada shells down here, pretty much everywhere. Oh, there's an example right here. This is a dead female. See, it doesn't have very colorful eyes. The abdomen isn't very colorful either. Yeah. Oh, this is Tickle. One climbing up me, Tickles. He's down right here. That's how you handle a bug. You shouldn't pick them up like by the abdomen or anything. Just act like your hands are a living treadmill. Especially if you find one outside, like if he's on the floor or something, then you can just like put your hand in front of him and he'll go on there like it's just like it's the ground. So yeah, this guy is able to fly. I found him on the tree over there where we saw the morphing cicada. Yeah, here. And so this is a male. This is a female. Very different ones. This one died and then fell from the tree right here. And yeah, I don't know what exactly what type of cicada this is. I know it's really cool, and I found this living one, and yeah. Oh, and also here's a dead one, so we can show you what like the colorful abdomen is. See? You can also tell the gender by the abdomen. But I tell the gender differently because you can see that it's brighter or orange in the